When you have intense feelings about another person, it can be hard to tell what's really going on in your heart. Stop and examine how you think about them. For instance, if you're interested in who they are as a person, then you might be in love. But if you tend to focus completely on how attractive they are, it may just be lust. When you're really in love, you tend to recognize and accept the other person's flaws. However, if you're infatuated, you might think of them as perfect or put them on a pedestal. Ask yourself how secure you feel in the relationship too. Do you feel confident that you and your partner have each other's backs? Do you want to stay committed to them for a long time? If so, then you might be in love. On the other hand, if the relationship feels exciting right now, but you can't really imagine a future with the other person, it might just be lust or infatuation.